In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or install Brother printers on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the devices tile. And then you want to go on the left side and select printers and scanners. And then select add a printer or scanner over on the right side. There should be a button near the top. Go ahead and select that. And then you would want to make sure your Brother printer was connected to your Wi-Fi settings if you were planning on using a wireless connection, or if it was a physical USB-based connection, just make sure it's plugged into your system. If you are still having an issue, you can go on to Brother's support pages and search specifically for your printer make and model, and there should be drivers and related software available for it. And you can also select that the printer I want isn't listed and then manually go about configuring that printer settings through this wizard here. So pretty straightforward process on all of that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.